Hello there and welcome to another one of our Lexical Lab 1 Minute English videos. If you like this video, please do subscribe to our YouTube channel and check out our website www.lexicallab.com to see what else we have to offer you. Today I had to go into the centre of London to get a COVID test. I'm flying to Russia on Friday this week and I need to have a negative COVID test to be able to get on the plane. When I was coming back from the COVID testing centre, I took the bus, and while I was on the bus I was able to engage in one of my favourite pastimes, eavesdropping on other people's conversations. At the back of the bus was a young woman who was having a heated argument with someone that I assume must have been her partner, and she finished this argument by shouting into her telephone, "Listen, just 'cause you're having a lousy day at work, don't take it out on me." And then she hung up. If somebody takes it out on somebody else, or they take things out on somebody else, they make that other person suffer, even though it's not their fault, simply because they're feeling tired or angry or stressed, or all of those things together. It's often something that we talk about when we're having domestic arguments with our loved ones. So you might say, whenever you're under pressure at work, you come home and take it out on me. Listen, don't take it out on me just because your boss doesn't like what you're doing at work. If you've enjoyed this video, please click the like button, share it with your friends, and in the comments section below, we'd love to hear examples of how you think you might use the phrase "take it out on someone" or "don't take it out on someone."